Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.